Alright, this is DZH501st and Warpchaos, and we're gonna open up one pack each of Stardust Overdrive, Hidden Arsenal, and Ancient Prophecy. Let's start out with the worst looking pack ever.
I'm gonna open the deck first.
Okay, and he has a deck that he bought.
Warrior Strike.
Warrior Strike. I bought like 3 copies of those back in Korea. And I gave out the extra ones. All I kept was the Trooper, the Hidden Armory, and a bunch of other crap. I remember this kid that I saw in your video, he used this map.
Yeah.
It was retarded.
It's dumb.
Oh.
Alright, Phoenix Gear Free.
And Featherizer. Exile, DD, Trooper. Seriously, nobody really plays Gemini nowadays. Supervis, Mind Control, Burden, Silent Dew, Hidden Armory, Rhoda. And by the way, we filmed this at the Realm Games and Comics, so go to the places, people.
Alright, that was the deck. Which one?
It doesn't matter.
Stardust.
If you get a Guardian Iados, Archer Christian, or Dark Samord.
Yeah, I'm keeping.
What'd you get?
Lord British Space Fighter.
Gay. Hidden Arsenal.
Hidden Arsenal. Come on, brown or miss one. Dang it, open.
I see a regular effect monster.
Ah.
Lized. Gay.
Crap. Come on, something good. Come on, revive.
Yeah, so you can piss me off?
Use it for trade.
I guess.
Crap.
Ah, alright.
Oh, crap.
So that's okay. Alright.